Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is yet another unboxing. I purchased this because I received a notification on the Facebook group that she had several ready-to-ship traveler's notebooks, and I'm referring to Lady Falcon Traveler's Notebook. And so she put up a notification on her Facebook group that there are several ready to ships and that they were on sale. So of course I had to jump at it, and I had a gift card left, so I redeemed that as well. And so I thought I would open it with you. Let's see here. Now this is a new size for me, I believe, from her. So here is the unboxing. I haven't opened anything yet. The sun is setting down, so hopefully it won't get too dark, but I really want to showcase Monique and her team because I think they do amazing work. She does hand stitching on all of her traveler's notebooks, and she also does like art on the traveler's notebooks as well. But I really do enjoy her notebook covers. She has several ranges, but I really do enjoy them, and I want to share the love because I want people to know that, you know, there's a lot of nice makers out there, but I always come back to her traveler's notebooks. I think they're really nicely made. So I ordered a traveler's notebook as well as this thing here. So let's open it up. I'm gonna keep, this is her new logo, so I'm gonna keep. Oh, I don't believe I ordered. I gotta check my invoice. I don't believe I ordered this. Did I order this? I don't think I did. This is a weekly B6 from July 2018 to December. So this is something that I can use now. And the B6 in dot grid. That's so kind of her. That's really nice. And then I ordered this one here. This is the, oh, this is really nice actually. This is the handmade in the Netherlands soft cover notebooks. And I ordered the folder to include in my new leather traveler's notebook. Fountain pen friendly paper. Our soft cover inserts are made with Clairefontaine paper. Oh, so there's that label. This is really nice. And I asked, did I ask for the pen loops? Oh gosh, I don't remember. But this is oh yes, I did. I remember choosing the leather. So you can choose the leather for your pen loops as well. She has a very wide range of leathers available. So there's the pen loops there. And then I just asked for a regular folder. And so here it is. So this is the unboxing. Let's open this up. Hopefully it's not too dark. I just opened the curtains, and let's open it up. Here we go. This is the so this is the information that she includes, her business card, and that's the information there. A bookmark, you can use this as a bookmark, and her like the care information sheet. Entirely handmade. Yes, I really appreciate her work that she does, and her workers. They put in a lot of effort and time into making these traveler's notebooks. There's this pretty cover. It's just like a cloth bag. So let's put this aside. Let's open this up. Oh, I can already smell the leather. It's so nice. So this is part of the ready to ship, I think it's called ready to ship B6 size in the Classic Plus, in the natural brown, and the Classic Plus includes the stitching. Oh, and there's another notebook. Oh my gosh! Wow. So that's what the notebook looks like inside. think this is the first time I've received this new packaging. It's really, really nice. I think they did it for like the pen show, I think. So let's take this off. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. I can, like, just filming it from here, I can smell it. It's really, really nice. And this is her new logo. It's getting a little bit dark. Hopefully it's okay. And there's like little marks here and there, which are all part of the natural leather, which is, I'm not bothered by it at all. And this is nicely covered. Her work is just amazing. I really, really appreciate it. Even like these small little touches, like adding a cover for the bookmark and things like that. Before, I think it was like tissue paper. She would wrap it so that it doesn't get damaged, or it doesn't damage the notebook inside. Like small things like that. It's really, really nice. And then, oh, it's a happy face smile. And then it says 11. I'm not too sure what that means, but I'm going to keep it. And then includes a blank, a dot grid in the B6 size. This is a really nice touch. Oh my gosh, the headphone covers. I've actually received several from her before, and I use both of them constantly, almost on a daily basis. So very, very, very thankful for that. And the keychain or key, I don't know what these are called. I'm sorry. But there's the one in natural leather. I still have the other one. Oh, check this out. Look at the difference in color. This is from the one that I had from before. You can see a little bit of the patina in the different color and how it ages. Isn't that neat? So I'll leave that here. And then this one is, what is this? It's a cute folder. Let me open this up. Oh, that's so nice. We're all mad here. That's really nice. Oh, it's a charm you can put on here. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say. You can put a charm here. That's really, really nice. I'm gonna keep these aside. I'm so thankful for the extras, my goodness. So if I can take some close-ups, I will. It's getting a little bit dark, but I will show you like the amazing work of the stitching. You can see, hopefully you can see the amazing stitching that she does. And because it was ready to ship, she shipped it like the next day. Like it was already made. And this is the inside. It's a bit fuzzy, but it's not like, you know, really, really fuzzy. It's just a little bit. It's soft. Like that on this side here. But yeah, it is one of like the harder, her leathers, like she has several different lines. I think it's called the Morgana line, and then there's the Pendragon line. The Pendragon line is really, it's floppy, and it opens up really nicely right from the get-go. But it's like a heavier leather. I appreciate and I really like the lighter leathers. And you can see here hers is a little bit on the firmer side, but it's so nice and structured. And once you use it over time, it just molds to your inserts. Actually, let me see if I can get my other one here. So this is, I don't remember if this was my first one or not. Maybe. This is in the, I don't remember the name of the color, I'm sorry. But oh, this held my memories from my second born. I brought this with me to the hospital. The hospital stay was about 5 days, and I just wrote and wrote and wrote. This one brings me back so many special memories. This is her older logo there. I think this one is called, actually I don't remember, but yeah, see, like it's so it's different. It's a lot floppier once you use it and hold on to it, and your oils get on the leather. I don't know if you can see this shine here compared to this one. Well, now the sun is coming in at a different angle, so hopefully it doesn't distract the video too much, but you can see the difference in shine. Yeah, this one I can't, this one will always be with me. This is in the A6 size, and I brought my Hobonichi Techo with me, and I remember writing and writing and writing about my birth of my second child in this one. So yeah, I really like Monique's Traveler's Notebooks. I think they're really nice quality. And yeah, just people, you know, it doesn't get enough attention, I think, sometimes. I really enjoy trying different companies and different Traveler's Notebooks. I really like the fact that there's a lot of people out there creating these Traveler's Notebooks, because there's so many different types of leathers and different colors out there. But I always seem to come back to Monique and the Lady Falcon Travelers. Her leathers are really call to me for some reason. I just really appreciate her leathers. I don't have a light brown, which is this one, so I'm really glad that I got the light brown, and I'm really happy that I saw it for ready to ship with the discount. I think it was quite a bit of a discount too. So if you do check her website, if maybe she still has the sale going on, I definitely recommend checking out the ready to ship with her discount. I think she's starting up a new line of colors for autumn, for fall, and that's why she's getting rid of her older stock. But yes, I'm really excited to try out this B6 size. Yes, so that's it. I wish I could show you, like, explain to you how this feels. It's a smoother leather. It's not really like textured or bumpy. I'm more that I like the smoother leathers. You can see this is smooth as well. It's not really pebbly or anything like that. And this one, yeah. I also have the field notes from her, the coffee latte size that was heavily influenced by John Rush. He has a nice video of his coffee latte as well, and that holds my son and daughter's personal journal, so I don't really show that really often because it houses more personal type of journaling in that one. But this one, maybe I'll bring this out. This is really nice color for autumn for my A6 Hobonichi Techo. But anyways, that's it. This is the unboxing of the Lady Falcon Traveler's Notebook in the light brown. This once again was from the ready to ship section. I also purchased the folder here with the pen loops. And you can choose the leather that you want for your pen loop. And I think, let's try it out. Let's put this in and see what it looks like. I don't know if I want to, like, I had a B6 size junk journal kind of ready to go, but I'm not really sure what I want to do for 2019, so I'm a little confused. Oh, this is perfect. You see that? That's perfect sizing. And there's two, so I can put 2 pens in there. But maybe I'll switch this out and put in my junk journal. We'll see. But yeah, I thought I would share with you the unboxing of the Lady Falcon Traveler's Notebook. I will put all the information down below. If you want to see what I end up doing with this Traveler's Notebook, let me know down below. And I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.